Hi friends, in this video same example what we discussed in the previous video, same example we are going to discuss in a shortcut method. If the given system function is like this and is asking for what realize in terms of Form-1 and Form-2 relation, first we have to express in terms of negative power subject by observing the highest order of numerator of the system function and denominator of the system function. In this case highest order is 3 is there, so for that numerator term and denominator multiply by the z to the power minus 3, hence we got this this system function. As we know, in case of Form-1 relation, the first subsystem function representing zero system and the second subsystem function representing pole system. We know numerator term indicates zeros and denominator term indicates pole system. So directly I am going to sketch Form-1 realization. The final output is what? Y of n, and input is x of n, and intermediate result is v of n. So first go for Form-1 relation. See, in this case Form-1 relation, this one I am going to express in terms of elementary blocks. It is the ratio of what? H1 of z indicates zero system. Zero system means what? The numerator term. Numerator term, this is equal to the term which is present here. This is equal to what? V of z by x of z. So v of z by x of z. So go step by step. First, after cross multiplying, we are getting v of z equal to the x of z multiplied by this term. Hence, then we have to take the inverse z transform. So this will come first. So what is that? 8 into x of n, 8 into x of n, 8. Next, x of n is divided by one time delay, and here we are getting x of n minus 1. Coefficient term is what? Coefficient term is minus coefficient term is minus 4, and second time delay, this is x of n minus 2. And see, after performing one time delay, add to the previous result. Next, second coefficient term is what? 11 into z to the power minus 2. Coefficient term is 11, so coefficient term is 11, add to the previous result. And third time is delay, so what we are getting? Coefficient term is minus 2, that is add to the previous operation. It is add to the previous operation. It will give what? It will give you the zero system. Similarly, coming to the pole system. For the pole system, V of n is the input. Yes, V of n is the input, and output is what? Output is Y of n, this term. And pole system is represented as H2 of z. H2 of z equal to what? 1 divided by this much. So after cross multiplying, what we are getting? Y of z equal to V of z multiplied by this much. Y of z equal to V of z addition with multiplication of y of z with this term. So one more point we have to remember: while realizing pole system, the symbols, the signs becomes opposite. If it is minus, it becomes plus. If it is plus, it becomes minus. This point we have to remember. So let us take one. So coefficient term is 1. Y of n is divided by what? One time. Y of n is divided by one time, that is y of n minus 1. Coefficient term is what? As I told, we have to take the opposite of sign. Here minus is there, I will take plus 5 by 4, add with the previous result. Okay, next, second time delay. So what we are getting here? Y of n minus 2 we are getting, and coefficient term is what? Coefficient term is plus 3 by 4 is there, so I'll take the opposite, that is minus 3 by 4, adding with the previous result. Next, third time delay. Here we are getting y of n minus 3. Coefficient term is what? Minus 1 by 8 is, take plus 1 by 8. It is the what? It is direct form 1 realization. It is direct form 1 realization. Next is direct form 2 realization. Next is direct form 2 relation. As I told, in case of direct form 2 relation, this entire diagram we are going to shift towards this side, taking and keeping here, and this entire diagram taking and keeping here. Nothing but interchanging the positions of zeros and pole system. So the pole system will come to here and zero system will go to here. Then take the delay elements common. So for that, first step by step, V of n is delayed by one time. As I told, pole system will come to first. Pole system means this term will come to first. So what happens? Uh, what happens? One time delay, and coefficient term is what? 5 by 4. Coefficient term is what? 5 by 4. Same thing. See, this is the pole system. We have to take the opposite sign. Minus 5 by 4 is there. So because of that reason, it is minus 5 by 4 is there. We have to take plus 5 by 4. Plus 5 by 4 added with the previous operation. Next, one more time delay. One more time delay. What is the coefficient term? What is the coefficient term? Plus 3 by 4 is there. Take minus 3 by 4. Take minus 3 by 4. Next, third term, minus 1 by 8 is there. Take opposite of that. One more time delay. Minus 1 by 8 is there. Take opposite of that, plus 1 by 8. Add with the previous result. So it becomes what? It is the pole system. This part indicates pole system. Go for zero system. Zero system means numerator term multiplied by 8. Multiplied by 8 means here multiplied by 8. And one time delay multiplied by minus 4. One time delay is there already. This coefficient term is what? Minus 4. Add with the previous operation. Add with the previous operation. Second term is what? Divided by twice, and coefficient term is 11. Divided by twice, coefficient term is 11. Add with the previous operation. Add with the previous operation. Third time, minus 2. Divided by thrice, and coefficient term is minus 2. Divided by thrice, and coefficient term is minus 2. Add with the previous operation. This indicates what? This part indicates zero system. Hence, the entire diagram indicates direct form to realization. Simply by giving the system function, simply by observing the given system function, directly we can sketch direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization. This is the shortcut method of sketching, realizing the given filter in terms of df1 and df2 realization. Thank you very much.